Once upon a time in the lush green forests of Periyar National Park, an unlikely friendship blossomed between three reptilian inhabitants: an Indian python named Piku, a king cobra named Kaito, and a monitor lizard named Mona. Piku, the gentle giant, was known for his calm demeanor. He spent most of his days basking in the warm sun, wrapped around the sturdy branches of ancient trees. Kaito, on the other hand, was the park's most feared resident. His venomous fangs and intimidating hood made even the bravest of animals keep their distance. However, beneath his fearsome exterior, Kaito had a soft spot for his fellow creatures. Mona, the curious and agile monitor lizard, was always on the lookout for her next adventure. She would scamper up trees, chasing after unsuspecting birds, and explore the forest floor, uncovering hidden treasures. One fateful day, while Piku was lazily soaking up the sun's rays, Kaito slithered by, searching for a place to rest. Mona, who was busy foraging for food, stumbled upon the two reptiles. Initially, she was wary of Kaito's reputation, but Piku's gentle nature put her at ease. As the three reptiles spent more time together, they discovered that they shared a common love for the forest and its inhabitants. Piku taught Kaito and Mona about the art of patience and the importance of preserving the forest's delicate balance. Kaito shared his knowledge of the forest's hidden dangers and the secrets of his venomous fangs. Mona, with her boundless energy, introduced her friends to the thrill of exploration and the joy of discovery. As they explored the forest together, they met three new friends who shared their love for the wild. There was Whiskers, a sleek and agile fishing cat, who spent her days fishing in the park's rivers and streams. Next was Ollie, a playful and charming otter who loved to swim and frolic in the water. Finally, there was Monty, a quick-witted and cunning mongoose, who was always on the lookout for his next meal. Did you know that pythons and cobras, natural enemies in the wild, once formed an extraordinary alliance to save their forest? Wait until you see what happened next. Deep in the national park, Piku the python and Kaito the cobra discovered their home was under threat from tech-savvy poachers. Enter Mona, a brilliant monitor lizard who learned to intercept radio signals by observing park rangers. Together, they devised an ingenious plan. While Piku distracted the poachers with his massive presence, Kaito strategically herded them toward ranger stations. Meanwhile, Mona transmitted their locations through manipulated frequencies on the poachers' own devices. Their unlikely partnership exposed the largest poaching operation in the park's history, saving countless animal lives. The rangers never knew their secret guardians' true identities. What would you do if you had to team up with your natural enemy to protect everything you love?
Okay guys, that's all for the day. Thank you. If you like our video, please press the like button. Share the video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel. Also, please comment your opinion. Press the bell icon for notifications.